Cash App in a pinch, making instant transfers from your bank account. Ever been staring down a bill due in the next hour, or scrambling to split a last-minute dinner with friends? In today's digital age, the need for instant money movement is real. Thankfully, services like Cash App offer a convenient way to send and receive funds. But what if you need to add money to your Cash App balance in a hurry? Can you really transfer directly from your bank account and have it show up instantly? While the concept of instant might seem straightforward, there's a little more to the story when it comes to Cash App transfers. Fear not, though. This video will break down exactly how to move money from your bank account to Cash App, and whether you can truly expect it to appear there in a flash. Understanding the Cash App transfer system. Cash App primarily utilizes a system called ACH, Automated Clearing House, transfers for moving money between your bank account and your Cash App balance. ACH transfers are a reliable and secure way to move funds electronically, but they aren't exactly known for their lightning speed. In most cases, ACH transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to complete. So, if you're envisioning a Star Trek-style beam me up, Scotty moment for your cash, you might be a tad disappointed. However, Cash App does offer a feature called Instant Deposit that promises to make your transferred funds available much faster. Sounds promising, right? Here's where things get interesting. Unlocking the power of instant deposits. Cash App's Instant Deposit feature boasts the ability to make your transferred funds usable within minutes, sometimes even instantly. Here's the catch: it comes with a fee. The fee amount is a percentage of the transferred amount, typically around 1 to 1.5%. So, while you gain access to your money quicker, you'll be paying a small premium for the privilege. Making the instant transfer happen. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Here's how to initiate an instant transfer from your bank account to Cash App. Open your Cash App and navigate to your cash balance screen. Look for the button labeled Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer and tap Next. You'll be presented with 2 options: Standard Deposit, the free but slower ACH transfer, and Instant Deposit. Select Instant Deposit and review the associated fee. Confirm the transfer by entering your Cash App PIN or using fingerprint verification. Important considerations for instant deposits. Before you jump into an instant transfer, there are a few crucial points to remember. Limited daily and weekly amounts. Cash App restricts the total amount you can transfer instantly per day and per week. These limits vary depending on your account history and verification status. Not all banks support it. While most major banks are compatible with Cash App's instant deposit feature, it's always a good idea to double-check if your specific bank is supported before initiating the transfer. Alternatives to instant transfers. If the fees associated with instant deposits aren't your cup of tea, there are a couple of alternative approaches. Standard deposits. As mentioned earlier, standard deposits are free but take 1 to 3 business days to complete. This might be a better option if you're not in a desperate rush and want to save on fees. Link a debit card. You can link your debit card to your Cash App and use it to add funds directly. While the funds might not be instantly available, depending on your bank's processing time, it's usually much faster than standard deposits and doesn't involve any fees, unless your bank charges fees for debit card transactions. The verdict: instant or not so instant. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use instant deposits boils down to your specific needs and budget. If you absolutely need the money right away and the associated fee isn't a deal breaker, then instant deposits are definitely a viable option. However, if you can afford to wait a few days and save some money, opting for a standard deposit or linking your debit card might be the more cost-effective approach. Remember, financial planning is key. Consider keeping a buffer in your Cash App balance to avoid needing instant transfers in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.